Take the Plunge by Gloria Emerson. This is a very beautiful essay. Gloria Emerson, basically, she was a journalist, but she wanted to do something extraordinary in her life. At last, she decided to jump through a plane with the help of a parachute. When she told her decision to her friends and colleagues, they made fun of her. She was weak physically. She had a bad back. Bad back mean कमर में दर्द कमर के पट्टे कमज़ोर और एक किस्म की उसको प्रॉब्लम्स थी एंड अनसर्टन एंकल्स और उसके टखनों में भी इतनी जान नहीं थी कि वो उसकी पूरी बॉडी का वज़न उठा सकती। जब आप छलांग लगाते हैं तो आपका सारा जो बॉडी का वज़न आपके पाँव बर्दाश्त करते हैं और वो जो बॉडी को झटका लगता है वो आपकी बैक जो है उसको सहती है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो थी वो कंफर्म नहीं थी उसकी बॉडी के बारे में, बट मेंटली शी वाज अ डिटरमिन्ड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमन. She joined a training center and got necessary training. After that, she wore the kit and boarded Cessna in 180 plane, where her companion was there to jump with her. ये जो उसकी जो plane है उसका नाम है Cessna 180. When the plane reached the height of 20,000 feet, they were asked to jump. Her companion jumped first, but when her turn came, she got nervous. She clung to the iron rod of the plane. She wanted to go to the washroom. Her heart started throbbing rapidly. ये सारी एंजाइटी की वजह से, ठीक है, स्ट्रेस उसने ली है तो इस वजह से उसको ये सारा कुछ फील हो रहा है कि उसके दिल की धड़कन जो है तेज़ हो गई है. She wanted to go to the washroom. She wanted to remove the heavy kit. Her instructor yelled and said go. चिल्ला के वो कहता है उसको, उसका जो इंस्ट्रक्टर है कि अब तुमने जो डिसीजन लिया है, जो काम तुम करना चाहती थी, अब वो करो. At last he jumped from the plane. First she heard the loud noise of the plane and the fast moving gusts of the wind. Her nose and eyes were discharging water. She was totally terrified. Experience उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा, but all of a sudden her parachute opened with a jerk. एक झटके से उसका पैराशूट खोल गया. The noise of the plane and air vanished. Parachute became a toy in her hands. The blue sky was looking very beautiful. There was utter peace and comfort. The earth looked beautiful and colorful to her. Now she wanted to stay in the air for a long time, but she was getting nearer and nearer to her destination. ज़मीन पे वो उतर रही थी. At last she landed on the sand pit. ठीक है, रेत का एक टीला सा ये बनाया गया होता है ताकि उस पर जो भी लैंड करे उसको चोट वगैरह कोई ना लगे, ठीक है. तो वो सैंड पिट पे बड़े आराम से उसने लैंड किया है. At the same time she was taken to see James Gavin. Now everybody was happy and surprised at her bold act. It is proved that women are equal to men in all respects. Emerson was the least suitable for this parachute jumping thing. अब यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आपने याद रखने हैं. प्रोफेशन, शी वॉज अ जर्नलिस्ट, Gloria Emerson, but she wanted to perform some daring deed. She decided to jump from a plane with parachute because it was the most self-satisfying sport in respect of proving someone as daring man or woman. ठीक है कि बेसिकली उसने अपना आप साबित करने के लिए कि ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. When her colleagues came to know of her decision, they made fun of her as she was the least suitable person for this job. कि ना तो उसकी कोई बॉडी जो थी वो एथलीट्स वाली थी, ना ही उसकी हाइट ज़्यादा थी, ना ही उसका कोई ऐसा बैकग्राउंड था कि वो पहले स्पोर्ट्स में हिस्सा लेती रही हो इस तरह से. At the invitation of Jacques Eisel, who had opened a parachute jumping center, she went to Orange, Massachusetts. ये सिटी का नेम है, वहाँ पे वो गई है उस एरिया में. It was the slogan of that center. that parachute jumping is as safe as swimming. In that center, she got the necessary training. She was boarded in the Cessna 180 plane with a male companion, and she had to jump from the height of 20,000 feet. The parachute opened and she began to enjoy the scene. After she plunged, she was no more nervous now. She became nervous when she jumped. She wished to stay long in the sky, but she was landed on the sandpit. She was successful in her mission and proved if one is determined, one can do any impossible task. इस लेसन का मेन थीम यही है, if one is determined, one can do any impossible task. अगर आप इरादा कर लें फिर आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, फिर वो कोई भी चीज़ आपके लिए मुश्किल या नामुमकिन नहीं रहती. She was taken to see जनरल जेम्स गैवन who praised her act of courage. ठीक है, ये आपका इस लेसन के जो मेन पॉइंट्स हैं आपने जो याद रखने, बेसिक थीम और इंट्रोडक्शन इसका इसमें मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया है इस लेसन का.